has been a problem. People in traffic have been receiving money from the public. But even there, I pity these traffic people. They give you money, they don't even open the hand. They give like this. You have no time to check. You put in your pocket. Kumbe, it might be paper just. Once you have that attitude, you will not serve the people. People will hate you, and because you don't know the principal purpose why you are putting on uniform.
Try as much as possible not to violate the human rights of those lovely people that you signed to serve.
We expect better station management. We expect a reduction in the crime rate. We expect better customer care from these officers, and above all, we expect professionalism to be displayed out there.